A Medical Education Organization Guide. Chapter 1. Medical Student Organizations. A list of medical student organizations from the agapecenter.com/organization/student.htm. AMSA.org, American Medical Student Association, AMSA. APMSA.org, American Podiatric Medical Students Association, APMSA. APAMSA.org, Asian Pacific American Medical Student Association, APAMSA. hp.ufl.edu/ANST, Association of Neuropsychology Students in Training, ANST. AMSA.org, Australian Medical Students Association, AMSA, Australia, O. BPSA.com, British Pharmaceutical Students Association, BPSA, United Kingdom, UK. CAPSI.ca, Canadian Association of Pharmacy Students and Interns, CAPSI-ACEP, Canada. CFMS.org, Canadian Federation of Medical Students, CFMS, Canada, CA. OM/podstudentsforum/canpodstudents.html, Canadian Podiatric Medical Students Association, PMSA, Canada, CA. EMSA-Egypt.org, Egyptian Medical Students Association, EMSA, Egypt, EG. FPSA.org, European Federation of Psychology Students Associations, IFPSA, Europe. EMSA-Europe.org, European Medical Students Association, EMSA, Europe. IFMSA.org, International Federation of Medical Students Associations, IFMSA. IPSF.org, International Pharmaceutical Students Federation, IPSF. PsychologyStudents.org, International Psychology Students Organization, IPSO. iVisa.org, International Veterinary Students Association, IVSA. MS4C.org, Medical Students for Choice, MSFC. NSSLHA.org, National Student Speech Language Hearing Association, ANSLOHA. SCCA.ca, Student Canadian Chiropractic Association, SCCA, Canada, CA. SNMA.org, Student National Medical Association, SNMA. StudentDo.com, Student Osteopathic Medical Association, SOMA. IllinoisPsychology.org/IPAGS/index.html, Illinois Psychological Association of Graduate Students, IPAGS. LASN.org, Louisiana Association of Student Nurses, LASN. SCMSA.net, Suez Canal Medical Students Association, SCMSA, Egypt, EG. The few health education organizations. Shape America, Society of Health and Physical Educators. 1900 Association. Dr. Reston, Virginia 20191-1599. 703-476-3437. Fax, 703-476-6638. ShapeAmerica.org. ShapeAmerica.org/publications/resources/default.aspx. ShapeAmerica.org/publications/resources/teaching tools/teacher toolbox/teachers_Pete_Hetty.aspx. csuchico.edu/hcsv/career_info/health_education.shtml. operd.org/ai, Association for Health Education. abhes.org, Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools. ANCHE.org, National Center for Health Education. ANCHEC.org, the National Commission for Health Education. Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools. 803 West Broad Street. Number 730. Falls Church, Virginia 22046. 703-533-2082. abhes@arils.com. abhes.org. Medical Education Resources. Accreditation Council. For Graduate Medical Education. 515 North State Street. Number 2000. Chicago, Illinois 60610. 312-464-4920. AMA-association.org. American Medical Association. 515 North State Street. Chicago, Illinois 60610. 312-464-5000. Fax, 312-464-4184. 800-955-3565. AMA-association.org. Association of American Medical Colleges. 2450 N St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20037-1131. 202-828-0596. AAMC.org. American Association of Colleges of Osteopathic Medicine. 5550 Friendship Boulevard. Number 310. Chevy Chase, Maryland 20815-7321. AACOM.org. American Association of Colleges of Pediatric Medicine. 1350 Picard Drive. Number 322. Rockville, Maryland 20850. 301-990-7400. American Society for Healthcare. Human Resources Administration. 1 N Franklin. 31st FL. Chicago, Illinois 60606. 312-422-3722. Fax, 312-422-4579. ASHRA.org. American Society of Allied Health Professions. 1101 Connecticut Avenue. NW. Number 700. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-857-1150. Association of University Programs in Health Administration. Accrediting Commission on Education for Health Services. 1911 NFT. Meyer Dr. Number 503. Arlington, Virginia 22209. OFA.org. Bureau of Health Education Schools. 29,089 US 20W. Elkhart, Indiana 46514. Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs. 35 East Wacker Drive. Number 1970. Chicago, Illinois 60606-2208. 312-464-4636. 312-553-9355. Fax, 312-553-9616. caahep@caahep.org. caahep.org. Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research. 200 1st Street Southwest. Rochester, Minnesota 55905. 800-876-8633. mayohealth.org. National Association of Health Career Schools. 750 1st Street Northeast. Number 940. Washington, D.C. 20002. Fax, 202-842-1565. nacs@aol.com. National Health Council. 1730 M St. N.W. Number 500. Washington, D.C. 20036-4505. 202-785-3910. Fax, 202-785-5923. nhcouncil.org. Book 270 Ways to Put Your Talent to Work in the Health Field. Medical Assistant Organizations. Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools. 7777 Leesburg Pike, Suite 314 North. Falls Church, Virginia 22043-2411. 703-917-9503. info@abhes.org. abhes.org. American Association of Medical Assistants. 20 North Wacker Drive, Suite 1575. Chicago, Illinois 60606-2963. 800-228-2262. aam-ntl.org. American Medical Technologists. 10700 West Higgins, Suite 150. Rosemont, Illinois 60018-3722. 800-275-1268. AmericanMedTech.org. American Society of Podiatric Medical Assistants. 1616 North 78th Court. Elmwood Park, Illinois 60707. 888-88 ISMA. aspmax@aol.com. aspma.org. Association of Technical Personnel in Ophthalmology. 2025 Woodlane Drive. St. Paul, Minnesota 55125 to 2998. 800-482-4858. ADPO membership at jcahpo.org. adpo.org. Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs. 25400 U.S. Highway 19 North, Suite 158. Clearwater, Florida 33763. 727-210-2350. Mail at caahep.org. caahep.org. Commission on Accreditation of Ophthalmic Medical Programs. 2025 Woodlane Drive. St. Paul, Minnesota 55125 to 2995. 651-731-7245. coa-omp.org. Institute for Credentialing Excellence. 2025 M Street, NW, Suite 800. Washington, D.C. 20036-2422. 202-367-1165. info@credentialingexcellence.org. credentialingexcellence.org. Joint Commission on Allied Health Personnel in Ophthalmology. 2025 Woodlane Drive. St. Paul, Minnesota 55125 to 2998. 800-284-3937. jcahpo@jcahpo.org. jcahpo.org. National Healthcare Association. 11161 Overbrick Road. Leawood, Kansas 66211-2299. 800-499-9092. nfo@nanow.com. nanow.com. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/medical_assistant, Wikipedia. aspma.org, American Society of Podiatric Medical Assistants, ASPMA. AlaskaMedicalAssistants.org, Alaska Medical Assistant Society, AMAS. ccbma.org, California Certifying Board for Medical Assistants, SPMA. cmaaca.org, California Medical Assistants Association, CMAA. csmamedAssist.org, California Society of Medical Assistants, CSMA. aam@chesapeake.org, Chesapeake Bay Chapter, Maryland Society of Medical Assistants, MSMA. Helvetica, FSMAonline.org, Florida Society of Medical Assistants, FSMA. gssma.org, Georgia State Society of Medical Assistants, GSMA. ilsocmedassistant.org, Illinois Society of Medical Assistants, ISMA. iowasma.org, Iowa Society of Medical Assistants, ISMA. msmaonline.org, Maryland Society of Medical Assistants, MSMA. aam@chesapeake.org, Chesapeake Bay Chapter, Maryland Society of Medical Assistants, MSMA. medicalassistant.org, Massachusetts Society of Medical Assistants, MSMA. MSMAonline.org, Michigan Society of Medical Assistants, MSMA. Minnesota State Society of Medical Assistants, MISMA. Here chapter CMA.org, Hennepin/Ramsey chapter, Minnesota State Society of Medical Assistants, MISMA. OSSMA.org, Ohio State Society of Medical Assistants, OSSMA. Online OSMA.org, Oregon Society of Medical Assistants, OSMA. SCSMA.org, South Carolina Society of Medical Assistants, SCUSMA. SDSMA.net, South Dakota Society of Medical Assistants, SDSMA. TNSMA.org, Tennessee Society of Medical Assistants, TSMA. MyTSMA.org, Texas Society of Medical Assistants, TSMA. Virginia Society of Medical Assistants.org, Virginia Society of Medical Assistants, VSMA. WSSMA.org, Washington State Society of Medical Assistants, WSMA. WSMA.net, Wisconsin Society of Medical Assistants, WSMA. Chapter 2. Medical Education Organizations. Continuing Medical Education Associations. AAOCME.org, American Academy of Continuing Medical Education, AACME is a worldwide accreditation body for continuing medical education. Promotes global excellence in public health, by defining, reviewing and publicizing CME standards related to CME structure, process, and outcome. ACCME.org, Accreditation Council for Continuing Medical Education, the main accreditation body for CME courses. Lists accredited providers and explains the accreditation process. ACPE.org, American College of Physician Executives, Educational Programs, Publications, and Career Development. A list of healthcare organizations from explorehealthcareers.org/health-career-organizations-health-care-students. amcp.org/information for SEC.ASPX?ID=8830, Academy of Managed Care Pharmacy, Student Pharmacists. eTrite.org/become-an-writer-DTR, Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, Student Center. aapa.org/your_pa_career/pa_students.aspx, American Academy of Physician Assistants, PA Students. ake.org/apps/stu-mem.cfm, American College of Healthcare Executives, Student Associates. acponline.org/membership/join/students, American College of Physicians, Medical Student Membership. adha.org/students-type, American Dental Hygienists and #8217, Association, Student Membership. amtamassage.org/membership/benefits/student.html, American Massage Therapy Association, Student Membership. amesa.org, American Medical Student Association. amwa-doc.org/students, American Medical Women and #8217, S Association, Student Division. aodia.org/students.aspx, American Occupational Therapy Association, Assembly of Student Delegates. theosa.org, American Optometric Students Association. apta.org/Student Assembly, American Physical Therapy Association, Student Assembly. apa.org/APAGS, American Psychological Association of Graduate Students. afa.org/member group/students, American Public Health Association, Student Assembly. ashp.org/menu/member center/sections forum/psf.aspx, American Society of Health System Pharmacists, Pharmacy Student Forum. asdanet.org, American Student Dental Association. anamstudents.org, Association of Native American Medical Students. http://departments.washington.edu/ccph, Community Campus Partnerships for Health. hosa.org, HOSA Future Health Professionals. HealthStatGeorgia.org, HealthStat, Health Students Taking Action Together. IPSF.org, International Pharmaceutical Students Federation. LMSA.net, Latino Medical Student Association. SNMA.org/premedical.php, Minority Association of Pre-Medical Students. NSNA.org, National Student Nurses Association. NaturopathicStudent.org, Naturopathic Medical Student Association. StudentDoctor.net, Student Doctor Network. SNDAnet.org, Student National Dental Association. SNMA.org, Student National Medical Association. SNPHA.com, Student National Pharmaceutical Association. StudentDo.com, Student Osteopathic Medical Association. ASAHP.org, the Association of Schools Advancing Health Professions website. asahp.org/find-jobs, Association of Schools Advancing Health Professions. asahp.org/podcasts. asahp.org/scholarship. asahp.org/strategic-objectives. asahp.org/conferences. asahp.org, Annual ASAP Summit. asahp.org/issues. asahp.org/journal-of-allied-health. asahp.org/asahp-newswire. asahp.org/trends. asahp.org/institutional-profile-survey. The Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education. You can find programs by state or field. The Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education. Mail at caahep.org. 727-210-2350. 9355, 113th St. N, number 7709. Seminole, Florida 33775. caahep.org. caahep.org/about/us. caahep.org/students/for-students. caahep.org/students/find-and-accredited-program. caahep.org/students/students-FAQ. Facebook.com/caahep?ref=HL. Twitter.com/caahep. LinkedIn.com/company/commission-on-accreditation-of-allied-health-education-health-programs. YouTube.com/channel/UCPOT5HMB28BCYDLKM2GDTG. The two big health accrediting agencies. The Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs. caahep.org. The Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools, abhes.org. National Accrediting Agencies for Career Schools in General. Accrediting Council of Continuing Education and Training. accet.org. Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges of Technology. accsct.org. Accrediting Council for Independent Colleges and Schools. acics.org. Council on Occupational Education. council.org. Distance Education and Training Council, DETC. DETC.org. Public Health School Accrediting Agency. seph.org/ifora/pages/index.cfm page ID =3344, CEPH Accredited Schools and Programs of Public Health. Medical Career School Credentialing Agencies for some fields. American Association of Medical Assistants, AAMA. AAMA-NTL.org. American Medical Technologists. AMT1.com. Dental Assisting National Board. danb.org. National Healthcare Association. nanow.com. Pharmacy Technician Certification Board. ptcb.org. The American Registry of Diagnostic Medical Sonographers. ardms.org. The American Registry of Radiologic Technology. ARRT.org. The National Board of Surgical Technology and Surgical Assisting, NBSA. NBSTSA.org. Chapter 3. A list of medical career school organizations at caahep.org/about/commissioners-sponsoring-organizations. abb.org/pages/default.aspx, AABB, formerly American Association of Blood Banks. aama-ntl.org, American Association of Medical Assistants. AAN.com, American Academy of Neurology. aap.org/n-a/pages/default.aspx, American Academy of Pediatrics. aats.org/aatsemis/aatsweb, American Association for Thoracic Surgery. abcop.org, American Board for Certification in Orthotics, Prosthetics and Pediatrics. abcp.org, American Board of Cardiovascular Perfusion. ac-pe.org, Accreditation Committee for Perfusion Education. acc.org, American College of Cardiology. acefitness.org, American Council on Exercise. acp.org, American College of Emergency Physicians. acns.org, American Clinical Neurophysiology Society. acp-online.org, Alliance of Cardiovascular Professionals. acr.org, American College of Radiology. acsm.org, American College of Sports Medicine. aem.org, American Institute of Ultrasound in Medicine. akta.org, American Kinesiotherapy Association. ambulance.org, American Ambulance Association. americanmedtech.org, American Medical Technologists. ami.org, Association of Medical Illustrators. anesthetist.org, American Academy of Anesthesiologist Assistants. arcstsa.org, Accreditation Review Council on Education in Surgical Technology. arttherapy.org, American Art Therapy Association. asahp.org, Association of Schools Advancing Health Professions. asahq.org, American Society of Anesthesiologists. asat.org, American Society of Anesthesia Technologists and Technicians. ascp.org/content number sign, American Society for Clinical Pathology. asct.com, American Society for Cytotechnology. asecho.org, American Society of Echocardiography. asecho.org, American Society of Extracorporeal Technology. ASET.org, ASET, the Neurodiagnostic Society. ASNM.org, American Society of Neurophysiological Monitoring. ASRT.org, American Society of Radiologic Technologists. AST.org, Association of Surgical Technologists. atra-online.com/default.aspx, American Therapeutic Recreation Association. brpt.org, Board of Registered Polysomnographic Technologists. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/medical illustration, Accreditation Review Committee for Medical Illustrators. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/polysomnographic technology, Committee on Accreditation for Polysomnographic Technologist Education. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/respiratory care, Joint Review Committee on Education in Respiratory Care. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/advanced cardiovascular sonography, Committee on Accreditation for Advanced Cardiovascular Sonography. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/assistive technology, Committee on Accreditation for Rehabilitation Engineering and Assistive Technology Education. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/clinical research professional, Committee on Accreditation of Academic Programs in Clinical Research. CAAHEP-public-site-5b3d9.webflow.io/committees-on-accreditation/kinesiotherapy, Committee on Accreditation of Education Programs for Kinesiotherapy. CAAHEP-public-site-5b3d9.webflow.io/committees-on-accreditation/orthoptics, Committee on Accreditation of Orthoptic Fellowship Programs. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/ANA Anesthesiologist Assistant, Accreditation Review Committee for Anesthesiologist Assistant. CAAHEP-public-site-5b3d9.webflow.io/committees-on-accreditation/cytotechnology, Cytotechnology Programs Review Committee. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/specialist in blood bank technology transfusion medicine, Committee on Accreditation of Specialist in Blood Bank Technology Schools. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/recreational therapy, Committee on Accreditation of Recreational Therapy Education. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/inclusive rehabilitation sciences, Committee on Rehabilitation Accreditation. CAAHEP Public Site 5b3d9.webflow.io/committees on accreditation/clinical research professional, Consortium of Academic Programs in Clinical Research. CAAHEP-public-site-5b3d9.webflow.io/about/commissioners-sponsoring-organizations, at-large representatives of educational institutions. CAP.org, College of American Pathologists. COA-NDT.org, Committee on Accreditation for Education in Neurodiagnostic Technology. COAEMSB.org, Committee on Accreditation of Educational Programs for the Emergency Medical Services Professions. COAS.org, Committee on Accreditation for the Exercise Sciences. Cytopathology.org, American Society of Cytopathology. Defense.gov, United States Department of Defense. FACS.org, American College of Surgeons. IAFC.org, International Association of Fire Chiefs. IAF.org, International Association of Firefighters. IBLCE.org, International Board of Lactation Consultant Examiners. ILCA.org, International Lactation Consultant Association. JRCCVT.org, Joint Review Committee on Education in Cardiovascular Technology. JRCDMS.org, Joint Review Committee on Education in Diagnostic Medical Sonography. LEARC.org, Lactation Education Accreditation and Approval Review Committee. MAYORB.org, Medical Assisting Education Review Board. NAMSC.org/, National Association of Emergency Medical Services Educators. NAMSP.org, National Association of EMS Physicians. NAMT.org, National Association of Emergency Medical Technicians. NASM.org, National Academy of Sports Medicine. National Rehab Counseling ASSCIATION.WILDAPRICOT.org, National Rehabilitation Counseling Association. NCOPE.org, National Commission on Orthotic and Prosthetic Education. NCSF.org, National Council on Strength and Fitness. NANOW.com, National Healthcare Association. NN2RC.org, National Association for Associate Degree Respiratory Care. NN2Strong.com, National Network of Health Career Programs in Two-Year Colleges. NREMT.org, National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians. OANDP.org/default.ASPX, American Academy of Orthotists and Prosthetists. Orthoptics.org, American Orthoptic Council. Redcross.org, American Red Cross. RESNA.org, RESNA, Rehabilitation Engineering and Assistive Technology Society of North America. SCAHQ.org, Society of Cardiovascular Anesthesiologists. SDMS.org, Society of Diagnostic Medical Sonography. STS.org, Society of Thoracic Surgeons. SVU.org, Society for Vascular Ultrasound. TheACP.com, American Academy of Cardiovascular Perfusion. VA.gov, United States Department of Veterans Affairs. Vascular.org, Society for Vascular Surgery. Chapter 4. Medical Associations to help find a school in a medical field. Professional medical associations related to finding schooling in a medical field. American Association of Pharmacy Technicians. PharmacyTechnician.com. American Massage Therapy Association. AMTAmassage.org. Association of Private Sector Colleges and Universities, APSCU. Career.org. Association of Specialized and Professional Accreditors, ASPA. ASPA-USA.org. California Association of Private Post-Secondary Schools, CAPS. CAPSonline.org. National Association of Complementary and Alternative Medicines. NACAMS.org. National Association of State Administrators and Supervisors of Private Schools, NASSPS. NASSPS.com. The Chronicle of Higher Education. Chronicle.com.